Have you tried the viral dense bean salad yet? It's one of the easiest ways to turn simple pantry staples into a seriously satisfying meal. Our California-grown version starts with creamy cannellini beans, then piles on crunchy cucumber, peppery arugula, artichoke hearts, scallions, crumbled feta, and lots of fresh herbs. The dressing is bright and simple. Lemon juice and zest, roasted garlic, Dijon mustard, and good California olive oil shaken together until emulsified. Mix everything together in a large bowl so the beans soak up all that flavor, then finish it off with crispy fried garlic slices for crunch. It's fresh, packed with plant-based protein, naturally high fiber, and perfect for meal prep because the flavors just get better over time. This is a simple, nourishing salad built around delicious ingredients grown right here in the Golden State.